The Sound360 was developed because we had a customer that came to Valcom and said, we have a pain point that we've identified. We need to be able to produce background music in our distribution centers. They were not able to do that today through their horns. In addition, they still wanted to keep their bell scheduling, their paging, and Valcom was able to solve that. It was so well received by the customer that we've been able to roll that product out to over 200 distribution centers.
We have a flat panel and we produce sound using a flat panel as opposed to your traditional cone. The way the sound comes off of the panel is more evenly distributed, and also you get sound off the front and the back so you can cover a larger area.
There are 3 different versions of the Sound360 speaker. We have an IP version, we also have a 2570 volt version, and then we have a self-amplified version. The Sound360 product line is available through our distribution channels, which you can find on valcom.com under the How to Buy tab. Currently, we have a marketing slick available that talks about the 3 different types of Sound360 speaker that's available on our website as well. And also it is featured in our product catalog.
The fact that you get front and back coverage, 360 coverage, more even sound, so fewer are needed. We've actually implemented in our manufacturing facility, we've had them in there for several years now as our own beta site. We reduced the number of speakers that we have out there maybe by a fourth, and actually the employees think it's clearer and easier to understand.
So OSHA strongly advises against workers wearing headphones on the factory floor. It's a big safety concern. If you have the music turned up too loud, you're going to miss out on bell schedules or paging announcements. In addition, you're going to miss out on your wherewithal about what's coming up behind you. And the Sound360 allows you to listen to music but still be aware of your surroundings. And you get to listen to bell schedules, paging announcements. You don't want to miss your lunch. You don't want to miss the quit time. That's what the Sound360 does, is it creates a positive working environment.